The body weight dip is a push exercise, and the primary muscles being used are the triceps, the backs of the arms. For the position, we're going to be either on the floor, on a small elevated surface, and then either a chair, coffee table, or anything about this high here. For weights, it's just body weight. You don't need to add any other weights to it. So we're going to start with just body weight. So I'm going to kick my legs straight out, feet together, and I'm going to put my hands slightly behind my hips and bend my elbows a little bit, really rolling my shoulders back. So good tall posture as always, even in this position here. Chest is up, shoulders are back. And from here, I'm going to pivot off my heels of my feet here as I press up. And you see it's a very small move, but as I'm pressing up, I'm squeezing my triceps, squeezing those muscles in the backs of my arm. And you want to hold it at the top for that second or two. So press up, 1, 2, and down. Press 1, 2, down. Small move, but it's working those triceps. Next thing you can use, just get yourself a little bit of elevation. I have a yoga block and a stack of books here. So for the stack of books there, put the yoga block on the other side. I'm going to place the heels of my hands on the edge of those books there, and then on the edge of the yoga block. Again, hands slightly behind my hips. You can see the slight bend in my elbows. Get those shoulders back, chest nice and tall, pivoting off your heels of your feet. Legs are together, and press up, hold, and down. Press up and down. Up and down. You don't want those elbows flaring out to the sides. You want them back. Make sure they're pushing back. So for the advanced version of this exercise, we're going to use a chair, coffee table, or anything, a box of any type that's very stable and sturdy, because it's going to be holding all your body weight. So for me, I'm going to come up. Start in the seated position. Heels of your hands on the edge of the seat. Carefully kick your legs out onto your heels. Scoot forward so your hands are behind your hips. Big tall chest, shoulders back, and lower yourself down, all the way down, and press. So in this position, we are getting the max stretch in our triceps and the max squeeze. So for breathing, big inhale on the way down and exhale. Inhale and exhale.